The skin inflammation that shows up on the face is quite possibly the most well-known skin issue, as it can influence individuals. All things considered, however, it is more pervasive in youngsters and youths, and it happens when the sebaceous organs at the foundation of the hair follicles are stopped up because of unreasonable discharge of fat, aggregation of dead skin cells, and blockage pores and microbes. And among the purposes behind the disturbance of the presence of skin pimples are hormonal changes, extreme pressure, unfortunate nourishment, and helpless cleanliness. Dermatologists typically resort to giving prescriptions that assist with diminishing the presence of pimples, or kill them for all time, and in this article we will give a few hints that help dispose of facial pimples, and clinical and home ways of treating them. Skin breakout is the most widely recognized skin issue, influencing 80% of individuals between the ages of 11 to 30 in some measure once in their lives. Concerning the reasons for this restorative issue, individuals circle many causes around here, most remarkably failing to clean the skin, the idea of sleek skin, which is helpful for the rise of this issue, and extreme utilization of instant food varieties and chocolate. In any case, truth be told, there are numerous abnormal causes that are stayed away from among the powerful means to dispense with skin breakout in ladies and men, the same, as indicated by what was distributed on the Al Arabiya site. Hairstyling items like waxes, gels, and splashes that fix the style can move into the pores of the skin, prompting stopping up and hence the presence of skin inflammation. In this way, specialists instruct to keep away from unnecessary use regarding these items and to wash hair a few times each week with a cleanser that suits its temperament. Dietary enhancements, contraceptives and steroid-rich medications can cause hormonal unsettling influences that might be answerable for skin inflammation breakouts. In this way, it is prescribed to counsel a specialist when the presence of skin inflammation corresponds with taking specific kinds of drugs. Some might experience the ill effects of the presence of skin inflammation nearby around the mouth when involving a toothpaste wealthy in fluoride, where case it is fitting to utilize a toothpaste liberated from this substance. The bed is where we go through a few hours per day, and in this way the remaining parts of our dead cells amass on covers might convey microscopic organisms that can move again to the skin, causing skin breakout. To keep away from this issue, it is prescribed to change the bed material one time per week and the cushion covers double 7 days as they are in direct contact with the skin of the face. The phone is a favorable place for microorganisms that can undoubtedly move to the hands and face, causing skin breakout. To diminish this issue, specialists exhort cleaning the telephone with an enemy of bacterial tissue consistently. In the event that morning meal is fundamental in our day-by-day diet, a portion of its food varieties can cause skin inflammation. Remembering organic product juice rich for normal sugar, white bread and desserts wealthy in fake sugar, notwithstanding milk and its subsidiaries wealthy in greasy substances, which would actuate greasy discharges in the skin. For this situation, it is prescribed to go towards entire grains and skim milk, which assume a defensive part around here. Facial consideration should be possible in the accompanying ways. Washing the face a few times each day with a gentle chemical for the face, and it is desirable overwash the skin with warm water, as it cleans the skin of soil and eliminates abundant fat. Dry the face well in the wake of washing it, utilizing a perfect and delicate towel, and the face is dried by tapping the skin, not scouring it. Utilize a cream that is appropriate for skin type and doesn't obstruct pores. Utilize a skin scour and a skin cover one time each week, to eliminate dead skin, clean the skin, and quiet it down with a veil that eliminates pollutants from it. Try not to contact or meddling with the pills, because this might prompt moving it to the sound skin, and it can also lead to the development of super-lasting scars and hard-to-treat skin impacts. The use of sun creams to protect the skin from light rays, which increase the irritation of the grain and make it redder. It is important to decrease the utilization of makeup on the skin impacted by pimples, since this expands the issue, as the makeup shuts the pores of the skin and causes the aggregation of soil on it, just as prompts an increment in slickness in the skin, and along these lines builds the presence of pimples. Cleaning devices and brushes used to put on cosmetics, since they are a reasonable spot for microbes to develop, and accordingly it is prescribed to wash them continually and transform them now and again. "30 minutes of sports a day keeps up with well-being in skin, balance chemical levels and dispose of poisons through perspiring, which lessens the presence of pimples on the face." Practicing has numerous medical advantages, however exorbitant perspiring when practicing can prompt the spread of microorganisms on the skin and the presence of skin inflammation. Thusly, specialists prompt, after sports, to clean up that assists with shutting the pores prior to washing with high-temp water, which prompts the extension of the pores of the skin and the section of microbes into it, causing the presence of skin inflammation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to receive all new